Hello everyone, in this video you will learn 19 action verbs that we use quite often. Eat. The rabbit eats a carrot. Read. The penguin reads a book. Skate. The cat skates on the ice. Drink. He drinks water. Make the bed. He makes his bed. Swing. He swings slowly. Get up. She gets up in the morning. Have breakfast. He has breakfast at 8 o'clock. Talk. The parrot talks on the phone. Watch TV. They watch TV at home. Go to school. The boy goes to school. Wash face. She washes face in the morning. Write. She writes a letter. Make faces. Don't make faces. Catch a bus. She catches a bus to school. Speak. He speaks English. Sleep. The girl sleeps at night. Put on clothes. He puts on clothes in the morning. Brush teeth. She brushes her teeth. You have got to know 19 verbs, and now it's time to review them. So, here we go. Repeat carefully. Eat, read, skate, drink, make a bed, swing, get up. Have breakfast, talk, watch TV, go to school, wash face, write, make faces. Catch a bus, speak, sleep, put on clothes, brush teeth. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and like the video. Super simple English lessons.